Welcome back to my channel. Asterisk, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost stands as a masterpiece of restrained luxury, crafted for those who prefer quiet dominance rather than loud statements. As the camera glides across the exterior, the first thing that strikes you is the effortless presence of the Ghost, the iconic Pantheon. Grille sits upright and illuminated, giving the car a commanding expression even before the engine starts. The spirit of ecstasy rises gracefully, framed by flawless laser-cut matrix headlights that look both futuristic and timeless. Moving around to the front bumper, you notice the newly refined air channels designed to reduce drag while maintaining that unmistakable Rolls-Royce elegance. Every crease on the hood is sculpted with intention, reflecting the sky like polished marble from the side view. The 2026 Ghost carries its signature long wheelbase persona with perfect proportion. The coach doors open rearward like a private invitation, and the floating wheel caps remain perfectly upright even as the wheels turn, a feature that never stops impressing first-time viewers. The polished chrome line running beneath the windows is hand-drawn by a single craftsman, a tradition that remains untouched even as technology evolves. Large, whisper-quiet 21-inch wheels glide beneath the bodywork, paired with the latest air suspension system that scans the road 1,000 times a second to predict bumps before you even reach them at the rear. The story continues with a minimalist but majestic design. The taillights are encased in precision-cut housings, giving the back bumper a clean architectural feeling. The automatic soft-close trunk opens to a surprisingly spacious and extremely well-insulated cargo area, and the chrome Ghost badge sits like a piece of jewelry on the smooth body panel. The exhaust is hidden because Rolls-Royce believes luxury shouldn't shout it, should whisper inside. The 2026 Ghost is a world of its own. As the doors close with their signature vacuum soft motion, the outside world disappears. Rolls-Royce insulation technology, including nearly 100 kilograms of soundproofing material, creates an environment quieter than a recording studio. The new Starlight headliner illuminates above you with customizable constellations, each tiny light hand-placed. The dashboard features the mesmerizing illuminated fascia, revealing a glowing Ghost emblem surrounded by over 850 stars. The leather used throughout the cabin is sourced from the top 10% of global hides, free of imperfections, and the wood veneers are matched from a single tree for consistency. Rear passengers enjoy reclining executive seats with massage programs, individual climate zones, and hidden picnic tables that deploy like precision instruments. The champagne cooler sits between the seats, matched with bespoke crystal flutes. Every button, dial, and touchpoint has weight, precision, and purpose. No noise, no harsh edges. Nothing accidental under the hood. The 2026 Ghost continues to use the legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12. Now tuned for even smoother power delivery with over 563 horsepower. The acceleration feels surreal, fast enough to surprise anyone, but delivered with such calmness that passengers barely notice the surge. The all-wheel drive system and all-wheel steering work together to make this large sedan maneuver like a smaller car, gliding effortlessly through tight corners. The new predictive GPS-linked gearbox selects gears based on your driving route, anticipating hills and turns before you reach them. Technology in the new Ghost feels invisible yet intelligent. A 360-degree camera system, night vision, adaptive cruise with lane guidance, and an ultra-responsive infotainment platform blend into the cabin without disturbing the minimalist design. Even the climate control uses nanotechnology to purify air at a microscopic level, making every breath inside feel crisp and clean. What truly makes the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost unique is the philosophy behind it. It isn't designed to impress everyone, it's designed to completely satisfy the few. It's not a car built for speed records or loud statements, but for unmatched comfort, craftsmanship, and presence. From every angle, front, back, side, interior. And under the hood, the Ghost represents mastery over detail, engineering, and elegance. It is the silent ruler of luxury sedans, a car defined not by what it flaunts, but by what it perfects. If you ever wanted to know what modern luxury feels like when nothing is compromised, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost is the closest you can get to automotive perfection.